In today's competitive landscape, limited resources and strict deadlines, integrators and panel shops need to find practical ways to increase productivity to meet customers' growing needs for high-quality, customized electrical protection solutions. Rely on our comprehensive nVent HOFFMAN design to manufacturing platform. The nVent HOFFMAN DTM software is for designers and manufacturing personnel to plan and design electrical engineering for machines and factory systems and automate panel building. With its easy-to-use intelligent central parts library, designers can now efficiently work on a single project while the software automatically ensures the data is continually up to date. Recognized globally as the most versatile automated modification solutions for machining and building electrical control panels and enclosures, the nVent HOFFMAN Mod Center portfolio gives you more control over time, efficiency, and profitability. From quickly modifying one-off panels to performing complex modifications on volumes of fully fabricated enclosures with 100% repeatable accuracy. Our mod centers automate all the drilling, tapping, milling, and processing steps to increase your overall productivity and quality. The result? You get the automated edge with perfectly positioned, ready to populate holes and cutouts. The nVent HOFFMAN Personal Wiring Assistance portfolio delivers the right wire when you need it in a fraction of the time, optimizing the assembly of wires. PWAs make prefabrication of wires fast, easy, and virtually error-free, boosting productivity and ensuring consistent and precise quality. You can also take advantage of a full range of accessories, tailored services, and support to make it even easier and more convenient for you to get more projects done and delivered with superior quality faster.